PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers expert smart thermostat installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses upgrade to advanced climate control technology. Smart thermostats provide convenient remote access, energy-saving features, and improved system efficiency. Our experienced technicians ensure proper installation, setup, and integration with your existing HVAC system for seamless performance. With a smart thermostat, you can easily adjust temperatures, monitor usage, and reduce energy costs while maintaining consistent comfort. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional smart thermostat installation services that enhance convenience, efficiency, and control over your indoor environment year-round. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a smart thermostat installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can smart thermostats help extend HVAC system lifespan? Yes, by optimizing system usage, smart thermostats reduce strain on HVAC components. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania installs smart systems that support long-term HVAC performance and durability. Are smart thermostats compatible with all HVAC systems? Most smart thermostats are compatible with modern HVAC systems, but compatibility depends on wiring and system type. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania evaluates your system before installation to ensure proper fit. What is your service office for smart thermostat installation? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local smart thermostat installation Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadsford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aspen Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/.